welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm back with another look. So this is very classic brown smokyish eye look. If you guys remember, I did put a post up on I did put a short up saying that I will do this kind of look. So today obviously this full length video I've made. I hope you guys enjoyed it, so let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I am starting off with prepping and priming my skin as usual, and then I'm going into my eyelids with the concealer, prepping my lids, and then I'm going in with the powder to set it. Okay, so next I am going in with this Revolution palette, Sofx palette from Revolution, and just going in with the lightest shade of brown, and just going in my eyelids, as you can see, just building up the actual shade until I'm happy. And I'm obviously doing that on the both sides, as you can see. And then obviously next I'm going in with a smaller blending brush and going in with a little bit of a darker shade, and which I am applying on top of the crease color and blending it out, as you can see. So what I'm doing is I'm actually keeping half of my eyes open, and I have more of a control of the brush, because the brush before I was holding was very light. This one is a bit firm, so I can get that nice blend. So I'm going in with a darker shade now with the proper round brush, as you can see. And here you will see I'm actually controlling the brush, like I'm holding it very tight, just to make sure that I get the coverage which I want. And I'm just with the back and forth motion, I am just going in just on the outer corner of my eyelids. And again on the seam side I am doing the same, just controlling the brush and just putting the color where I actually want the color to be. Okay, so this is how the eyes are looking. I'm just going in with a lighter shade again, just obviously on the crease, just to make sure everything is blended out. And I have taken this flat brush, and on the flat brush I did put a spray on, the fixing spray, and the coverage of this the shimmer was really nice. It was really good. Even with usually I just do it with my hands, but this time I decided to do this trick, and the coverage was really nice, as you can see. On the both eyes I'm putting on, and again I went in with the darkest shade just to blend out that shimmer. Just putting the darker shade so it just blends out very nicely. And I've taken the same shimmer, I'm just putting it on my brow bones, as you can see. The next up is the eyeliner. So this is the first time actually I'm doing the eyeliner on camera. So basically you go with your lower lash line, so you create a line alongside your lower lash line, no alongside, sorry, just like uske saath sahi basically. And you just basically just keep the brush flat, don't close your eyes or stretch your eyes, otherwise it's just not going to work. Okay, and then the next is I'm going in my waterline. Rather than using a black pencil, I'm actually using the gel eyeliner because it does last longer. So I'm just going in with the eyeliner. So this is it. I had a fallout a little bit, so I'm just cleaning that. Okay, so this is it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon, so whenever I post you do get notified and you can watch my videos and support me. I love you guys, so have a nice day. Bye.